Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorial. In this particular channel I do tutorials about Power BI and Excel. So please do check out the other videos that I have on my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you about a presentation tip. A lot of times we get onto the Zoom calls with our stakeholders, showing them or presenting them of the Excel sheets or maybe the Power BI dashboards, etc. Right? Often it happens that when you are moving around the cursor, the person listening to you might not be able to follow where exactly the cursor is, especially when you have too many things on your screen. There is a little tip that you can follow to sort of attract the attention of the person watching. Like example, here I'm just moving my cursor. Maybe the person who's watching the screen might not be able to follow where exactly the cursor is, but with the tip that I'm going to show you, you can simply press Control and drag the attention of the person who's viewing your screen. Now you can take the cursor anywhere and just press Control, and you can see this effect that is coming in, which will attract the person who's watching your screen. Now how to enable this is you need to go to Control Panel, click on Control Panel, and then go to Mouse and go to the pointer options. This checkbox here will be unchecked when you visit here for the first time. You need to check this box which says show location of pointer when I press the Control key, and then click on apply and click on OK. Just give me a second while this is happening, and you click OK, and when you go back and just press Control, you will see that there's an effect that has been added here to draw users' attention. So I hope this video has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more such tips and tutorials.